Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes? Very excited today? I know, all of you are very excited. Why? Because the topic for today is riddles, पहेलियाँ. आज मैम बहुत सारी पहेलियाँ पूछने वाली थी और हम सब बिल्कुल तैयार होके आए हैं. We all are ready to give the answers, right? Okay, shall we start? Ready? Open up your ears, everybody. Okay. So the first question is, what has words but never speaks? किसके पास बहुत सारे words होते हैं पर कभी बोलता नहीं है? What has words but never speaks? Yes, come on, think about it. All of you are thinking? Yes? Think. Words. What has words but never speaks? Yes? Can anybody guess it? Okay, I'll give you one hint. Where do we find words? Words कहाँ मिलते हैं? सोचो. Yes? Okay. I will give you one more hint. Next hint is the letter starts with. Now start thinking. Anybody? Yes, I am getting some answer. Yes, it starts with B. The starting letter is B. Where do we get words? Where do we find words? Yes, we find words in the book, right? So my answer is book. What is the question? What has words but never speaks? The words in the book, they never speak, right? So this is our first riddle. Now the next riddle, come on, think. What has hands but cannot clap? Clap नहीं कर सकता है, hands तो हैं. Okay, think about it. Yes. Yes. Think, what has hands but cannot clap? Okay, shall I give you one clue? It starts with C. Starting is C. Yes, right, you guessed the right answer. The answer is clock. What is the right answer? Clock. Clock has hands with minute hand, hour hand, right? But it does not clap. Have you seen a clock? Go and see the clock. You will find two hands. See, one is the small hand, one is the big hand. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Okay? So, what has hands but cannot clap? Clock. Ready for the third one? Right? Okay. What has legs but cannot walk? What has legs but cannot walk? सोचो, जल्दी, quick. पैर तो हैं पर चलते नहीं बनता. आपके आसपास आंसर मिल जाएगा. सोचो. Okay, I'll give you one hint. Count. Okay, think. I am counting up to 10. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5. Yes, I got the answer. The answer starts with T. Okay? Yes? Table. Right. So the right answer is table. Table has legs, 4 legs, but it cannot walk. Okay, everybody is enjoying the riddles. How many riddles have we finished? We finished 3 riddles, right? Which one is the first one? What has words but cannot speak? Next, what has hands but cannot clap? The third one, what has legs but cannot walk. Okay, now the next one. Think about the next one. I am a greenhouse. I am a greenhouse. Now, inside this greenhouse, there is a white house. What is the color of the next house? Inside the greenhouse, inside मतलब अंदर, पहले तो एक ग्रीन हाउस है, ग्रीन हाउस के अंदर एक व्हाइट हाउस है. अब inside the white house there is a red house. Inside the white house there is a red house. Now, inside the red house, are my, yes, babies. Now guess, what am I? I am a greenhouse. Think, पहले तो एक ग्रीन हाउस है, ये ग्रीन हाउस है, ग्रीन हाउस के अंदर व्हाइट हाउस है, व्हाइट हाउस के अंदर रेड हाउस है, और रेड हाउस के अंदर मेरे बेबीज हैं. सोचो क्या होगा? थिंक. यस, कर्णिका, शर्विल, आद्या, वामाक्षी, लावण्य, are you getting it? Divya, think about it. What can it be? Okay, I will give you one hint. It is a fruit. What is it? It is a fruit. Okay, now think about the fruits. Apple. Apple is red in color, inside is white. So it cannot be, we want a green color. See, I am a greenhouse. Then comes the white house. Then comes the red house. And then comes the babies. So, getting it? Something, okay? See, this is the greenhouse, this is the white house, this is the red house, right? And these are my babies. Have you guessed the item? Yes, watermelon, right. The watermelon is green from outside, white, then the white colored layer is there, then the red part is there, and inside it lies the seeds. So these are the babies. You have guessed the right answer. Okay? So, now, one more riddle. Do you want to know more riddles? Are you enjoying the class? Yes, everybody? All of you are enjoying? Okay. Now one more riddle. Okay? Yes. What has a neck? What has a neck but no head? Yes. What has a neck but no head? Are you getting? गर्दन तो है पर सिर नहीं है. Guess. Yes. You fill water in it. Yes, it's a bottle, right? See, the bottle has a neck, right? This is the neck of a bottle, but it has no head. Okay, so the right answer is bottle. What is the right answer? Bottle. You fill water in the bottle. You bring your water bottle to school. Right. I hope you all are enjoying the riddles. Now after learning the riddles, you can ask your friends, you can ask your parents, you can ask your mama. Okay. Next, one more. What can break? What can break without touching? Now see, you don't have to touch it, but it can break. Yes. What can break without touching? What can break? Promise, right? Promise टूट जाता है बिना छुए, correct? So the answer is promise. इसको छूना भी नहीं पड़ता है और ये टूट जाता है. आप लोग भी तोड़ते हो ना प्रॉमिस? मम्मी पापा को बोलते हो हम बहुत पढ़ाई करेंगे, अच्छा प्रॉमिस, अब आज के बाद हम नहीं गलत काम करेंगे, हम खेलेंगे नहीं, हम मोबाइल नहीं चलाएंगे, लेकिन वो प्रॉमिस तो हमारा टूट जाता है. मोबाइल पे गेम खेलने बैठ जाते हैं और भूल जाते हैं पढ़ाई करना, है ना? होता है ऐसा. हम प्रॉमिस कभी नहीं तोड़ेंगे. जो प्रॉमिस किया है वो प्रॉमिस को फुलफिल करेंगे, राइट? नेक्स्ट, What has teeth? दांत तो है पर खा नहीं सकते. What has teeth but cannot eat? पर खा नहीं सकते. सोचो सोचो, दांत तो है पर खाने के नहीं है. Yes, what will be the right answer? What has teeth but cannot eat? कुछ आया? Something clicked here? You use it every day. Yes. Without it, your dress up is incomplete. Getting? Okay, I will give you one more hint. It starts with C. Now, yes, you use it on your hair. Right. So the answer is comb. 100% right. Yes. One more thing. Okay. What goes up? What goes up but never comes back? Yes, come on. What goes up? ऊपर जाते जाता है पर कभी नीचे नहीं आता. Come on, think. Think. When teacher asks you this question in the class, you give the answer. What goes up but never comes back? Yes, starting is with A. One more hint I will give you. It is a 3-letter word. It is a 3-letter word, without which you don't get admission in school. You have to complete the criteria. Yes, age. Got it? a 3-letter word. If you have not completed your 3 years, you will get no admission in the school. Age always goes up, but it never comes back. See, your childhood will never return. I have grown up, but can I fail? Am I able to be a child now? If I want to be a child and play with you, I cannot become a child because it doesn't come back. Once it goes up, it never comes back, right? So, hope you all enjoyed the riddles today. Now one more, the last riddle we will do, okay? And then we move on to our reader book. What gets bigger? What gets bigger when more is taken away? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो बड़ी बड़ी होती जाती है, जिसमें से हम अगर और लेते जाएं तो वो और बड़ी होती जाती है? ओके, सो व्हाट गेट्स बिगर? क्या बड़ा होते जाता है अगर उसमें से हम और लेते जाएं तो और बड़ा बड़ा होता जाता है? Rats live there. Hint. Okay. Rats live in a hole, right? Hole. Right? उसमें से और निकालेंगे तो गड्ढा बड़ा होते जाता है. जितना आप निकालते जाओगे उतना वो बड़ा होते जाता है. So the answer is hole. Okay. Now moving on to a reader book. Right? Open up your reader book, everybody. All are ready with your reader books? Take out page number 12. Be ready with your reader books. Page number 12. Here some riddles are given. Right? And we are going to solve these riddles. We wear it in winter. You have to write down these riddles in your classwork copy. Okay? Immediately after the question and answers. So you are going to give down the heading riddles. Okay? After giving the heading riddles, you are going to write down number 1. We wear it in winter. We wear it in winter, and it rhymes with, and it rhymes with boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Okay. What does it rhyme with? Boat. Now you have to choose the correct answer. Unscrambled spelling is given. The spelling given is T-A-C-O. Now you have to wear it in winter. You feel very cold. You wear it to school also, right? So what do you wear to school? Coat. C-O-A-T. Right? This is your correct answer. You are going to write it the same way, okay, in your copy, classwork copy. Rhymes. See, B-O-A-T boat, C-O-A-T coat. The sound is the same, but the words are different. B, here it is B, here it is K. See, the remaining spelling is same. The remaining part of the spelling is same. So, B-O-A-T boat, C-O-A-T coat. Okay? These type of words are called rhyming words. For example, B-E-L-L bell, H-E-L-L hell, S-E-L-L cell, T-E-L-L tell. All these are rhyming words. All these are rhyming words. But the initial letter changes the word. The same sound is being repeated over here. Okay. The next thing. Next, number 2. It helps you to go up and down. It helps you to go up and down. And rhymes with pairs. And rhymes, R-H-Y-M-E-S, rhymes with pairs, P-A-I-R-S. Yes. What have you do to come up to your class? You have to climb up the stairs. Pairs, stairs. The sound is same, but the word is different. So, what is the unscrambled word? S-A-S-T-E-R. T-I-R. Sorry. It is T-I-R. Right? And this gives us the spelling S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. Okay. Number 3. You can say good morning. You can say good morning. Yes, you can say good morning to dash, and it rhymes with meat. Yes, it is rhyming with meat. Now, the unscrambled spelling is E-G-R-E-T. Now you have to write the correct answer. Yes? Can you make the spelling now? Hope you all have understood how we have to rhyme it. Meet, greet. Correct. So here it will be G-R-E-E-T. Greet. You can say good morning to greet and it rhymes with meat. So the rhyming is with meat. Okay? Clear? Are you all noting down along with me? If you will note down along with me, then you will have to, your work will be complete and you will not have to give extra time to complete your copy. Right? Hope it is very clear. Now we move on to the next. Number 4. Riddle number 4. Riddle number 4. It is beginning and rhyming with heart. It is beginning, B-E-G-I-N-I-N-G, beginning and rhyming with heart, H-E-A-R-T. Yes, what is the correct answer? Beginning, starting, start. Correct. It is beginning. Beginning means to begin, start. So it is rhyming with heart. Heart, start. So the answer is start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Number 5. It means grave and rhymes with mysterious. It means grave and rhymes with mysterious. Dash. Okay. Now see, it means grave. ग्रेव पता क्या होता है? हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, मुक्ति धाम. वहाँ पर डेड बॉडीज को लेकर जाया जाता है, राइट? इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल्ड इट अ ग्रेव, कफन. ओके. नाउ इट राइम्स विथ मिस्टीरियस and the spelling given is SOERUSI. SOERUSI. That means serious. Correct. So SERIOUS. Serious. Okay. Correct. So it means grave. And it rhymes with mysterious. Next. Next, number 6. The sixth is, it flies through the air. It flies through the air. It flies through the air and rhymes with train. The rhyming word is train. It flies in the air. Yes, what flies in the air? Can you guess? The unscrambled spelling is also given. ENPLA. Right? ENPLA. Right? Yes. I hope you can make the spelling. Flies through the air. हवा में उड़ता है. क्या उड़ता है? Plane. Correct. So PLANE. Correct. So you are going to write down the answer. PLANE. Plane. Done? You would like to note down some extra riddles along with this also? Some extra riddles to ask and discuss with your friends, okay? Extra riddles. Right? These are not rhyming riddles, but these are simple riddles which you can discuss and ask your friends. Let's see how much they have learnt it, okay? It has a neck, but no head. See, it has no head. The answer is bottle. Very good. The answer is bottle. Right? It goes up but never comes back. It goes up but never comes back. What is the right answer? age. It has hands but cannot clap. Clock. Next, what can break without touching? What can break without touching? What can break without touching? Promise. Right? Are you all noting down? Yes? Next, what has to be broken before use? What has to be broken before use? Yes? Before using, what has to be broken? Egg. Right. What has legs? What has legs but cannot walk? See, what has legs but it cannot walk? Obviously, table. See, you're studying on the table. Table has 4 legs but it cannot walk. So the answer, right answer is table. What has words? What has words but cannot speak? What has words but cannot speak? Book. Correct. So the right answer is book. Last one. What has teeth but cannot eat? Yes, comb. You use it every day to comb your hair. And this is the end of riddles, right? After this riddles, right? After this riddles, this exercise is over. After this exercise, we turn on to the next page. Here. Okay, now here, look at the pictures. Some pictures are given. You have to look at them. Describe what Mehta family does on Sundays in about 80 to 100 words. See, this is a Mehta family. Mehta family, what they are doing on Sunday. On Sundays, you also have some plans at your home. Yes, you also sit with your whole family. Sunday is an off day. You have no school. You don't come to school. You give quality time, family time to your parents. Correct? So, on Sundays, you do a lot of things. Correct? So, you have to make sentences and it becomes a paragraph. In the starting, we had learnt it, no? Make small sentences, when they get together, they form a story. So, we are going to describe what is being done over here. Now, use these words as hint. Now, some words are also given. Hobby. Now, hobby. Hobby, you know the meaning of hobby. We have done 2 chapters on hobby. What was Max's hobby? To collect words. Benjamin collected stamps. Elena Fergion had a hobby of traveling, right? And here you can see the girl playing with the guitar. So, this may be her hobby. Okay, relax. All are relaxing. Music. See, father and mother are listening to music. Gardening. Here, gardening, some work is going on in the garden. Books, some father is reading a book, enjoying, all are enjoying over here, meal, family time, they are having their breakfast and all. So, accordingly, you are going to make sentences to describe, and I will help you out tomorrow in writing down these sentences. First, you will write down and think about it, make a note. First, you have to plan, आपको खुद को कोशिश करना है. You will try, and then I am there to help you out tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to write a describing passage on the topic I had shown you, and this will be the end of the chapter 2. And immediately after the chapter 2 we will start with the 3rd chapter. That is, what is the 3rd chapter? Yes, the apple dumpling. Hope you all enjoyed the riddles. Yes. And here we are winding up our session today. हम अपने सेशन के एंड की ओर आते हैं. Hope you all have written down this work in good writing. Yes, everybody has completed their work. Is your work complete? You must write along with me every day and speak with me. जितना आप बोलोगे मेरे साथ साथ उतने अच्छे से आपको इंग्लिश बोलना भी आ जाएगा. प्रोनाउंस करते जाओ मेरे साथ साथ. एक बार में नहीं समझ में आया, बार बार वीडियो देखो. Again and again you watch the video and I am sure you will speak English very very fluently. English is not as tough as it is being told. इतनी hard नहीं है, बस आपको थोड़ी सी कोशिश करना है. Right? So now you have learned some riddles in English today, and hope you will ask it, discuss it with your friends, with your parents, with your neighbors, and you will enjoy. Okay? So this is the end of today's lecture. We'll meet you in the next lecture with a new topic, that is the describing paragraph writing, and after that we'll move on to the 3rd chapter. Okay children, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Bye.